What if I told you that you could turn AI into a thumbnail design business and potentially build it into a $4,000 a month income? You don't need to be a professional graphic designer, but you do need creativity, good design skills, and the ability to understand what makes people click. Let me show you how this business can work. First, learn how YouTube thumbnails actually work. A good thumbnail isn't just a beautiful picture, it needs to communicate an idea in seconds. Study successful channels in different niches. Look at their colors, faces, text, composition, and how they create curiosity. Then use AI image tools to help create backgrounds, characters, objects, and visual concepts. The AI can help you create faster, but you are still the creative director. Next, create a portfolio. Here's the smart part. You don't need to wait for your first client. Choose popular video topics and create your own sample thumbnails. For example, take a public video from a large YouTube channel and imagine, how could I redesign this thumbnail to make the idea clearer? Create several different styles. Then put your best work into a simple online portfolio. Your goal is to show potential clients what you can actually do. Now you need clients. Look for YouTubers who are already uploading regularly but have thumbnails that could be improved. You can find them on YouTube and social media. Send a short professional message. Don't spam hundreds of people with the same copy and paste message. Instead, personalize your outreach. You could say, hey, I came across your channel and really liked your content. I noticed your latest video and I had an idea for a different thumbnail direction. I created a quick sample to show you what I mean. That's much more powerful than simply saying, hi, I make thumbnails. Do you need one? Once you get a client, AI can help speed up your workflow. You can use AI to brainstorm concepts, generate visual elements, remove backgrounds, improve images, and explore different design directions. But don't just press a button and send the result to your client. You still need to edit the design, make sure the subject is clear, make the text easy to read, create strong contrast, and most importantly, make sure the thumbnail matches the actual video. A click is useless if the viewer feels tricked. Now, how could you potentially reach $4,000 a month? Let's use simple math. Imagine you charge an average of $40 per thumbnail. To make $4,000 in revenue, you would need to complete 100 thumbnails in a month. That's a lot of work for one person. So instead of only selling individual thumbnails, you could eventually offer monthly packages. For example, a YouTuber might need 8, 12, or even more thumbnails every month. As your skills improve, you could charge higher prices for premium work. You could also build a small team and manage multiple clients. The exact income will depend on your pricing, quality, client demand, and how efficiently you work. There are no guarantees. And here's the biggest secret. AI is not the business. The business is solving a problem. YouTubers need better thumbnails because better packaging can help their videos attract attention. If you can consistently create thumbnails that communicate ideas clearly and make people curious, you have a valuable skill. AI simply helps you produce and experiment faster. So if you love design and you're interested in AI, this could be a business worth exploring. Start with one skill. Create a portfolio. Find your first client, deliver great work, then improve and scale. Don't chase the promise of easy money. Build a skill that people are actually willing to pay for.